Good morning, friends. Mr. Yoder here. I hope that you're having a great morning so far with Mrs. Martin. I'm trusting that you are being respectful and showing her habit number one of being proactive. And I look forward to seeing you kids this afternoon after lunch. And Landry, you need to stop picking your nose. That's kind of disgusting. I'm just kidding. Ricardo, quit laughing at her or else you're going to have to clip down. Anyways, hoping that you kids are at the carpet right now with your whiteboard, sock, and markers. And what I would like you to do is on your boards, I would like you to draw a rectangle. As you are doing that, I'm going to draw a rectangle as well with you. And let's choose this color here. Okay. And on the bottom length, I would like you to label it 7 centimeters. And for the width, I would like you to label it 4 centimeters. What I'd like you to do is I would like you to find the area of this rectangle. Go. This is a review from yesterday, so hopefully you are using the formula area equals length times width. So all you need to do is plug it in. Area equals 7 times 4. And 7 times 4 equals what, class? You are correct. 28 square centimeters. All right. Today we are going to be kind of transitioning from area to be talking about finding factor pairs. So I am going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to give you the example of the number 14. To find all the factor pairs is that we are going to make and draw several different arrays for this number. And I'm going to start with the obvious one, number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an array for the number 1. So I'm going to have in each group or row, I'm going to have 1. I'm going to do that 14 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have one group, and for that whole group I have 14. So that is a factor pair. Now I'm going to do the number 2. How many will be in each row? Obviously 2, and I'm going to switch colors to kind of switch it up a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in every group I have 2, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 7 are factor pairs. Now I'm going to try the number 3, and again I'm going to switch up the color a little bit. So I'm going to try 3 in every row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, will 3 be a factor of 14? No, because what you want to have equal groups, and then these two do not have a third partner, so 3 will not work. So let's try 4, but rather than making an array and kind of speed this up a little bit, we're going to skip count by 4. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16. Is 4 a factor? No, it is not. So now we're going to try 5. Let's skip count by 5. Ready? 5, 10, 15. That doesn't work. Now we're going to try 6. 6, 12, 18. That doesn't work because we haven't hit the number 14. Now we're going to try 7. Ready? 7, 14. That is a repeater because 2 and 7 times 2 is the same. Now we're going to try 8. 8, 16. That doesn't work. Let's try 9, 9, 18. That doesn't work. Let's try 10, 10, 20. That doesn't work. Let's try 11, 11, then 22. That doesn't work. Let's try 12, 12, 24. That doesn't work. Let's try 13, 13, 26. That doesn't work. And 14, goes in it one time. So that is also a repeat. So just briefly, kids, I'm going to write this equation down. 2 times 7 equals 14. When talking about multiplication, okay, I guess that doesn't want to switch colors, and that's okay. The numbers that you are multiplying are called factors. And the answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. As I try and squeeze that in there. Nope. And that's okay. It's called the product. So today we are focusing in on what two numbers multiplied together equals the product, and that is factors. So the factor set for the number 14 is 1, 14, 2, and 7. What you're going to be doing now is with Mrs. Martin is she's going to pass out a paper called Finding Factor Pairs, and you're going to be working with her to find 4 different factor pairs for different numbers provided. You can use the centimeter cubes that are in the tub right in front and below the smartboard, or you can make the arrays just like what we did here together. Hope you kids have a great morning, and I'll see you this afternoon.